How to enable or disable mobile data usage for cloud storage and network storage on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe up to go into the app screen. Now in here, tap on the Samsung folder. Then tap on My Files. Next, tap on the More button at the top. Then tap on Settings. In My Files settings, go down to the File Management section and tap on Allow Mobile Data Usage. In here, tap on Cloud Storage and Network Storage. When you toggle this on, you will allow mobile data usage. And if you want to turn off or disable mobile data usage, you can tap on the toggle button to switch it off. And that's it. After, tap on the back key or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.